As the trip came to an end, we ventured up north to the Cao Bang province. Our journey took us through layers of mountains extending as far as the eye could see. Buffalo wandered the streets, and we met nice locals around every corner.
We've got our own little puppy. Can we call him Kong? Speedy puppy. Last time the water buffalo had a bit of a freak out.
The rest of the day was spent avoiding the water buffalo that guarded our homestay and enjoying the nearby lake, even though the water was just a bit too cold. After stories and laughs around the fire at night, it was finally time to see what we had come here for, the most beautiful waterfall in all of Vietnam.
She likes the hat, I think I need to buy it. There we go. Guys, so it's our final day and we've left one of the best locations to the end of the trip. The Ban Gioc Waterfall, which is right here on the border of Vietnam and China. Vietnam Chris is showing them the final shot. Woo!